Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to overlay in CapCut in PC. Let's get started. We are in CapCut in my PC in the interface. I will import a video that I want to overlay. Click Import and upload your videos. Your uploaded videos will be here. I will add this background video to the timeline by clicking on the video and dragging it to the timeline. Or you can click on the blue plus sign like this. You can make the video shorter by trimming it or click on where you want to delete and hit the split button and then delete. Next, we want to add the video that we want to overlay on top of this background video. Click on that video. As you can see, it's on the same layer, and that's not what we want. But first, trim off any part of the video that you don't want. To make an overlay, click on the video, drag it up to the layer above. As you can see, it is now in its own layer on top of the other video. Now you can't see the video underneath it. So what you want to do is zoom in the video so that you can see. On the video, you can see 4 points on the video, and you can resize it by clicking on any point and resize it, like this. Another method is, go to the right side of the player panel and you can use the scale to zoom in and out. Once you have the size that you like, you can position to wherever you want, and I will put it right here. Once you are done, make sure to name your video here so that it's easier for you to find in your file. To save it, click on Export on the upper right-hand corner. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials, because this channel is created for you. I also include the links in the description, and I will see you on my next video.